guys, welcome to another Ian Outdoors video. Today's video we might be doing a bit of mowing, doing some tractor work, and we did get a tractor, but I'm going to wait until I'm going to say that when we get started with the video. So I've been gone for a while. It's been a week and a half, I think, since I've posted a video. Try to get in a good spot here. The reason why is because, well, it's been really rainy recently. The baler's done, and I can't film on the baler because there's nothing to film about since it's done. And we've been just mowing steady because we cut grass. So we were just mowing steady on the days that we weren't, and I didn't have time to set up a camera and film and do all that stuff. So now I'm back. And another thing, we hit 100 subscribers, so I'm thinking about doing something, but I'm not quite sure what to do. So make sure to put down in the comments down below what we're gonna do for 100 subscribers, because I want to do something. So now I'm going to show you the tractor pieces that we got here. What we got now is the hood, two fenders, one there, and a few pieces of stuff there. We're not in the same shop that we were in before. We're in a different one now. We got fire hall, low battery, whatever. So I'm gonna get all new stickers. I got all new stickers made. I gotta get one for there. All the new gate around. And we started just sanding down, and we figured out that somebody had already redone this track. I had redone it and put body fill in it already in the bad spots, so that's good. We don't have to do as much, but there's still a few dents in the hood and everything, like right there. All along here is pretty pounded out. And then in the bottom there's some rust. Everything out of an old tractor. And in the fenders, I'm gonna have to sand these down and paint them through. And then underneath, right there, there's some rust. I don't know if you can see that. Probably just a bunch of blur. But I'm gonna have that in this video, maybe some mowing and other stuff like I said. So make sure to keep on watching and like and subscribe. Did I forget to say that? We got our first lawn done. Now we're heading to the second. How many are we doing today?
3.
3 lawns. So
Did
I'll
5
film
yesterday.
5 yesterday, yeah. So I'm gonna film a bit of this one. I forgot the other one to film. Something that you're getting your stuff off the trailer and then you forget about it once you're on your mower. This is our 2021 lawn care setup, you could call it. So we got Dad's big mower. He's got the bagger, 46-inch cut. And
Yours is coming?
What?
Your bagger's coming.
My bagger is coming. Here's my mower. This is just a Z142 Husqvarna with a 42-inch cut. We got ramps here. We bought just the frames, and then we put the metal on here, and we built these pieces here to go up and around. Then we put the ramps right here going this way alongside the mowers. Then we just offload them off the ramps. We've had some bad experiences with some ramps. This is the same trailer that was red before that you probably saw me take an axe to the wood in it, and we replaced the wood. I did film a bit of working on it, but it wasn't anything enough, so it's just gone. We got it all inspected, everything's legal, rewired it. Now we're just gonna mow this lawn here, a bit overgrown, not bad though, not terrible I should say. We're gonna mow this lawn here, and done for me. There's a good spot. I don't got a bagger, so Dad's doing the front and all the spots that you see. So now we're gonna get to whippersnipping. Got our 3 lawns done. Now we're gonna go back home, have supper, and I'll see what else I can make a video. Guys, now we're back here at the hood of the tractor and the rear fenders. So I'm gonna be back. Why am I saying back? Okay, never mind the back. So now I'm gonna be sanding down this hood. For now, it's getting late, so not gonna do too much more, but just enough to finish off a video for you since I haven't posted in a pretty long time. Guys, we got quite a bit of sanding done, and again, sorry I haven't posted for a while, just been really busy and a lot of rain, but we got the whole top of the hood sanded. We got to still do the bottom, then the 2 fenders, and then the rest of the tractor. So make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.